My name is Adam Ross and I'm a singer-songwriter and musician, and I'm really looking forward to the summer when I'm going to be working with my friend Jenny Sturgeon to create some fun music events that you can take part in.
Hello, my name is Jenny and I'm really looking forward to meeting you. The plan is that myself and Adam are going to run a series of really fun music making workshops during the summer holidays, and we'd like to invite you to come and take part. Working all together, we will create a brand new song from scratch.
We'll do some fun writing and music games, and don't worry, you don't need to be able to play an instrument to take part. You're going to learn about writing songs, performing songs, a bit of singing, maybe a bit of instrument making. You'll learn about recording, using different microphones, and we'll spend as much time outdoors as we can. So it'll be lots of fun, and you're going to get to write a cool song which we'll put online and you can share with your friends and family at the end of the project.
The workshops will be taking place at Crathis Castle and Aden Country Park, so you can take part in whichever one is closest to where you live.
So we're really looking forward to seeing you then and having a fun time making new songs. So I'm going to play a little blast of one of my songs, but this is a bit of a challenge. I'm going to challenge you guys to write a better song in the summer, which I'm sure you're capable of. You are forming patterns in the sand with the outstretched fingers of your soft left hand. The turnstones pass, and hide themselves beyond the marrow grass. We went swimming out beyond the rocks. The sun deceives us as the water shocks. The breakers roar, and pebbles tremble on the ocean floor. New layers forming chronologically. A buzzard sits in the high dead tree. As we walk home, footprints washed in the fumbling foam. As sunset reaches back against the wall, on wooden crates as the shadows fall, the silence screams and laughs until it bursts, it seems. Hopefully see you in the summer.
We are really looking forward to the summer and meeting you and creating some music together. Hopefully see you then. Bye!